Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we got some more gardening chores to do as we prepare for the holidays. Let's get started. As you see this garlic chive here, right? We need to go ahead and split this thing when you cut it back. And guys, check it out. It is actually seeding. Okay? Right here, these are the seeds. So the thing is, I don't know if these seeds supposed to look like this. I think they do, cause they hard. But this thing needs to be cut back because Mom Dukes, she asked for some garlic chives, and we're gonna split it and see if we can get her some garlic chives for her patio garden that she has. So let's go ahead and get this started. Let's see if we can get these seeds. So yes. Oh no. Let's see. You enjoy your snack? Huh? Yeah? Oh, yes? Yeah. Okay. Yes? You okay? Okay, we're gonna be done soon. Okay, so I'm going to all you gotta do is split this like this, like that. There you go. Garlic chives from Mama Dukes. Right there with the flour. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do Okay. Now our garlic chive split. Yes. That way she can go ahead and pop this up later on. Mama Dukes. And this what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this back a little. Right? My supervisor over here agree with me. Little NJ is agreeing with me. So hey, is this okay? Is this done pretty well? Do you think? You think it's okay? Is it up to your status? To your standards? Okay, we're gonna cut it back, okay? Now, I might just compost this one. I don't know. But the remainder of what I cut, I collected the seeds already from it. So where is my scissors, sir? So guys, it's a little bit cool out here, so that's why little NJ have on his coat and his blanket. Let's protect him. Look at that, y'all. See that? This would be good for your mashed potatoes, diced up for a nice dressing, vinaigrette. Even in your you can make a bread, your biscuits, all that kind of stuff, quick breads. So, but this is a lot of garlic chives here, so you know. Hey, y'all wanna know a little secret though? What I learned? If you wanna be, if you're very interested in getting your knife skills better, practice with chives. You will be amazed. Your cut precision will be awesome. Now this is not, y'all, let me tell you this right now. This right here, I'm not trying to practice on this right here, but if you really want to focus on your knife skills in the kitchen and stuff like that, this is a great way to practice with your using chives. So yeah, that's it. This is not perfect, but this will grow so fast, guys. You'll be amazed. So that's for Mom Dukes. On to the next chores. Oh, almost forgot. I gotta go ahead and pop this back up. My bad. Our supervisor said, sir, you're not done. And so what I'm going to do, now I took my glove off, and that's all right. Y'all probably like, what is NJ Cali doing? Being forgetful today. Okay. Uh-oh. That's what you saying? Little NJ saying, uh-oh. I'm doing a good job. Backfilling this. I hope I am. Yeah, so. And bam, there we go. This can, we're gonna use these chives this week, okay? So that's okay. But and we also our Jimmy's base was doing good, pretty good over winter. There's some damage, but we're collecting the seeds, okay, to get more. Yeah, so we're almost there. These will be ready soon. They're actually ready. I see the seeds already. So we're gonna cut this one off, okay? And let it dry out. And then we're gonna take the seeds. Matter of fact, we're gonna leave it on a little bit longer. Cause not all the yes, boss. Cause not all you can see, sir. Not all the seeds is ready. Mm-hmm. They're not all ready yet. Okay. I'm gonna let you finish your little snack. Let's check on our dark opal basil. You wanna see the flower? See? See the flower? You wanna touch it? Yeah, look at that. It's pretty, huh? Okay. And this be nice for the yellow jacks and bumblebees and honeybees and worker bees and solitary bees. Yeah. And it smells very, very interesting. Yeah. Smells real good, don't it? Okay. We're gonna need some herbs, okay, for the holiday prep. Especially some rosemary. You doing rosemary today? Yeah. Get some rosemary. Yeah. How much we gonna need? A lot. You don't think so? I think that's a good idea. Let's get another spring or two. We're gonna need some bay leaf. A bay leaf, yeah. Here and there. Everywhere. Oh, that's good enough. Right? Rosemary, bay leaf. We get some parsley too. Yeah. I think that's good enough. Let's just, clean this up a little bit. Those stems that are not. Yeah. That could be for dinner for tonight. Some of this parsley. We can use it tonight. Okay? See? There you go. Parsley. Yeah. All right, as y'all can see, today's little harvest. So, that's done. What else we need to do? Are we finished?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You ready to go back in the house now?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Well, guys, little NJ, my supervisor over here, he just basically told me that he is ready to go inside. Well, he's not ready, but I am. There's a lot of work we got to do today. Garden chores plus indoor chores. So we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. See you later. Goodbye.